Hello everyone, I'm Azlan. Today I'm going to make banana shake. You see, I have a big banana and I'm going to use. It looks like that for hello. In my shake, I add banana, cookies, and milk. First of all, I peel off the banana and then put it in the blender. See, I'm peeling off the banana. First I open the lid, then I put banana inside. Okay. I like cookies, so I'm going to add some cookies in it. Okay. I add two cookies in it, and I'm going to eat this one first. Mmm. Mmm. Then I'm going to add some milk in it. See, I add milk in it. I'm going to mix it. Are you ready? Banana shake is ready. I'm going to pour it. Wow! Bismillah. It's so delicious. For more videos, like and subscribe. Bye bye.